Meaning of disappearance.
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 Disappearance. Disappearance refers to the act of vanishing or becoming unseen or undetectable. It is the state of being lost or missing without any known explanation. The result of a disappearance can be devastating to those affected, as it leaves them with uncertainty, fear, and grief. This phenomenon can occur due to various reasons, including natural disasters, accidents, kidnapping, or intentional hiding. Regardless of the cause, the impact of a disappearance can extend beyond just the individual affected, affecting their family, friends, and even the wider community.